ever since I took over this bedroom as my sewing room, I've been wanting to change out the curtains. The ones that I've had up for the last few years were actually leftovers from another room. They didn't really fit, and you can't tell in my photo, but they actually are two different sizes. They hang different lengths on the floor. It's kind of funny. Anyway, so a couple years ago, I think it was either 2019 or very early 2020, pre-pandemic, I bought some cute fabric, canvas fabric from JoAnn Fabrics, intending to make curtains. So, yep, here it is, January 1st, 2024, and I actually got around to making them. Hooray! So I used a product from Dritz Home called Rod Loop Tape that already makes the back tabs that I was able to use to speed up the process. I lined the curtains with white muslin that I've had in my stash for a while that I bought on sale a while back, and yep, I'm really happy with the results. What do you guys think?